Only 1 out of every 10,000 employer firms get VC funding. However, 90% of these VC funded firms fail to take off. On the other hand, of the ventures not funded by VCs, only 50% fail. Research on funding and VC funded firms has dominated entrepreneurship research. Recently, research on crowdfunding has also seen growing interest. But given that only 27% of IPOs are VC funded, where do others get their funding from? Can ventures scale without capital? My research seeks to address these questions. Especially, I focus on how accelerators can help new ventures scale up without infusing capital into them. For this, I'm conducting an in-depth study of a unique accelerator in India, whose mission is to achieve exactly this objective. I undertook comprehensive participant observations of one cohort of ventures in the accelerators over a period of 8 months. This helped me understand the dynamics of interactions between the accelerator managers, entrepreneurs of the participating ventures, as well as the entrepreneurs who had already graduated from the acceleration program. The interactions between these peers generate fungible non-financial resources which take the form of advice, feedback, information, and help. These resources form the theoretical core of my research. I built on the versatile resources theory of Edith Penrose to explicate this dynamic. The non-financial resources generated through peer interactions help develop 3 important competencies within the entrepreneurs who are undergoing the acceleration program. Firstly, they improve the arsenal of tools at the entrepreneur's disposal so that they are able to build and scale their ventures efficiently. Secondly, they improve the functional expertise of the entrepreneurs, which help them take better decisions. Thirdly, they improve their relational competency, which helps them co-opt various collaborators in their scaling journey. The overall lesson is simple. Capital needs to be substituted, and the substitute is usually a relationship. Founders can replace items in their shopping list for which they need to pay through capital, with providers of those items becoming targeted or inadvertent partners in their scaling journey. In addition to peers, this includes employees, customers, suppliers, resource owners of all kinds, and expert consultants, among others. Overcoming mental and physical barriers to partnering can help founders obtain appropriate substitutes for capital. Finally, my work contributes to practice by identifying mechanisms through which accelerators can facilitate the vital peer interactions. I have identified that accelerators can play an integral supportive role in this whole process. Firstly, they can provide encouragement to entrepreneurs to interact, then they can create an environment to initiate such interactions, and finally provide different platforms where these interactions can take place. In essence, this can help promote collaboration within and across cohorts of accelerated ventures, thereby enabling them to scale up without capital, while at the same time increasing their probability of obtaining capital.